Get the stop motion of an electric fan, you need to adjust the EV of your photo IP camera and the shutter speed. I adjust my shutter speed to 1 to 8,000 per seconds I part, and the ISO I adjust my camera to 800. To take a photo of object at night time without the use of flash, you need to adjust the EV plus 3.00 and the shutter speed to 32 seconds, and the ISO I adjust my ISO to 6,400 to take a photo without a flashlight or light.